Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 and I'm going to show you how you can change this theme on this device. So at the first we have to go for the settings. Next we have to find the lock screen, tap on the always on display and go for the clock style. And if you want to customize, you have to go right here, and I'm going to take photo from the gallery. It will be screenshot. As you can see, you can resize the screenshot by making gestures like that, but I'm going to make it on the full size and I would like to take this part. Click done. Let's lock the device. And as you can see, our theme has changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.